On the basis of genetic classification, buckling fold is formed when compressional force, because of a compressional force acting towards layer towards the rock bed in its parallel direction, in which we see in the, so here the diagram is not giving properly. Okay, I can't find. Okay, the buckling, buckling flexure slip fold. This is the example of such buckling fold. Okay, where the force acting on the parallel direction of the rock strata, whereas in case of the bending fold, it is the force acts more or less perpendicular to the strata, perpendicular to the rock layers. Large scale foldings may be produced due to the action of gravitational acting perpendicular rock strata. Rise of magma from the deeper part of CL may generate bending fold in the overlying strata. One cause of formation of buckling fold, sorry, not buckling fold, bending fold, is because of the magma rise from the mantle, which exert pressure on the above situated rock layers, which cause the rock layers to bend, rock layers above to cause bending. Okay, then we have the form flow or pegmatitic fold is also a part. The pegmatitic fold is applied to a fold without any particular geometrical pattern. It's not show any pattern. It does show a scene compressional force parallel to bending plane like buckling, highly parasitic and incompetent. So these are parasitic, or pegmatitic means very zigzag. Okay, parasitic, minor, pegmatic, highly plastic. Pegmatitic fold, highly not very distorted, very high pressure, formed because of very high pressure, highly incompetent bend. Such the F number is showing an yes, 16.6 F is an example of pegmatitic fold. Then we have the parasitic fold. Now what are parasitic fold? These are some minor folds often seen within beds affected by major fold. The mechanism of, so in one word, parasitic fold are parasites. They occur in between, but inside the major folds. Okay, major folds. It's however controversial. So the mechanism of such fold is still controversial. How they are formed? It may be suggested that minor folds initially develop in beds prior to major fold movement. Yes, but the most suitable evidence for formation of such fold is the parasitic, the inside, the smaller inside for folds are estimated to form first. They occur in the first stage. After the formation of such of these small folds, a major folding is again occurred and in that particular region, and the small folds get trapped inside the major fold. Okay, at the time of formation of these major folds, these minor folds within beds are affected differently at different major parts. In the limb zone, the major folds are affected by dragging action between the two successive beds that make symmetric with axis inclined towards the direction of movement of overlying and underlying bed. As there is no virtual sliding of bed in the hinge region of the major zone, minor folds remain symmetrical in the hinge zone from the asymmetric nature of the parasitic folds. So these are not from these are of MSc level. Let's remain let's keep it up for the MSc. Only two important genetic classification. Remember that buckling fold occurs when the force is acted upon the rock layer towards its parallel direction. Then number B is we have bending fold. Bending folds occur when force act towards the perpendicular direction of the rock strata. And number C is pegmatitic fold. Pegmatitic fold are very compressional forces, because of compressional forces, and these are very irregular, incompetent, irregular zigzags. Okay, no particular structure. Then we have the fourth type of fold, which are on the basis of genetic classification. We have the parasitic fold, where minor folds occur in between or get trapped inside major folds. So the formation of such fold is considered as the minor folds are occur in the bed in the first stage, and in the second stage a major fold is occur again in that area, causing to get trapped, causing the minor folds to get trapped inside the major fold.